All right, everybody, welcome to Kilowatt Hour Only EV channel. This is Ben. Yeah, so today I have an accessory to review to you guys for my 2024 Kia EV6, 2024 2024 Kia EV9. Okay, so shout out to BestEVmod for reaching out to me to review one of their products. So I've worked with them before to review their floor mats and other the mudguard and other items that I've reviewed, and they have an awesome product. So today they sent me, actually they reached out and sent me this package. So I have this package right here. So um, thank you to Best EV Mods for this, for the awesome product. So I'm about to open it up. I couldn't remember what I was supposed to get, but I believe I am getting at least maybe two accessories. So um, I will open it up just like I'm going to see it, just like you guys are about to see this right now. So if this is your first time viewing this channel, subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Check out my other videos, accessory videos, unboxing and review videos. Check those out. Also check out my road trips for the former EV6 and EV9 that I have. Check out the charging session videos as well. So thank you guys for watching, and thank you to Best EVmod for sponsoring this video today. All right. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and open up this box. All right, welcome back. So I'm about to unbox this package, and let's see what we have here. If you want to get any of these item product accessory right here, you can reach out to their Amazon store to get their product. So I will leave the link in the description on where to get it on their page and order this item for your EV9, EV6, Ionic 5, Tesla Model Y, Model 3, I believe, Rivian, Monster Marquee, Ford Monster Marquee, and a couple of other. I will post the information inside the description. So, you can, and the link, and you can order yourself some one of these accessories right here. So let's go ahead and see what we have here. I believe I'm supposed to be getting a mud guard and an organizer, center console organizer, and I should be getting another one very soon. That should be for the floor mat. They're still working on that. So yep, so this is the mud guard right here, the front and the rear mud guard, and that's great. They left a tool in here for you to use, so you don't have to mess up your car. The pin that holds the mud guard, I believe mine came with a mud guard already, but I am going to put this right here, and just to make sure it fits. I have a 2024 EV9 long range rear wheel drive. So as you can see right here, it says BestEVmod flaps slash 4 knee drill hole. So, and you have the instruction installation guide right here for the mud guard. And so as you can see right here, clean the wheels area, clean all the instructions. So you have the FL for the front left, FR for the front right, and RL for the right left, and RR for the right. So, and we have the information right here for that. So let me go ahead and put this to the side and put the box away, the box cutter away. So I have this right here, and this is for the, so this is for the right, the rear. So you got the front and the rear. So this is the uh, front right and rear right, and this one should be the left. All right, so, and this also comes with more tool, screwdriver, and Allen wrench part. So you have the right, left, and the front left. and this says EV9 as well. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's what it shows here. All right, so I'm gonna put it back. So what I'm gonna do right now is to do the installation of the mudguard, and I will be back for the other one. And you have all the screws right here, the pins that you can use. Let me see here. So this is the list for it. So I'm gonna be back with the other one. So stay tuned for that. All right. So I have all the stuff right here. I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna start with the rear. I don't think I'll just have my bus cutter just in case I need that. So I'm gonna start with the rear. So right now, the EV9. Let me release this. Does have, because mine already came with it. So as you can see, it does have like a little screw. So you are going to remove the screw right here, the screw right here, and one in the bottom. So just letting you know, there's 3 screws that you have to remove. You can use the OEM screws that came with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that. So let me see here. This is the left side, and I got it right now. So I got the left right here. So this is the rear left, the RL. So I'm gonna go ahead. It is a little bit bigger than the OEM one, so which is good. It covers a lot of space because the OEM looks a little bit shorter. It looks a little bit shorter, so I'm gonna remove that and compare that with it. Okay, I'll be right back. All right, welcome back. So I look at the OEM mud flap and look at how small. Let me compare. Look at how small it is to the BestEVmod mud flap. So also, when I tried to remove the OEM one, it was only 2 screws that was holding it out. So there's a possibility that you will use a pin, the OEM pin, to hold the bottom piece right here. So I am going to take a look and see, because there was only the 2 screws that came out, and that was it. All right, so I'm about to go ahead and put this in. So let me go ahead and do that. As you can see, it does fit in there without no issue. I hope the camera is holding. You can't see everything. Let me see here. Oh, okay. So the camera, as you can see, it has everything. So let me go ahead and put this together, and I'll be right back. All right, welcome back. So I was able to put that in. So I used the screws that came with the vehicle. So, but the bottom piece, even though that didn't, the other one didn't have that. So I removed the OEM pin right here. Let me see. Okay. So the OEM pin, I removed that and put that in there, and it fits. So, um, I think kid just didn't do these right. But anyway, but it does fit in. Everything fits in there. So let me go to the one in the front. A lot of plastic in the back. All right. So let's go to the front. All right. So I am about to go ahead and remove this one. So this one, you will have to use this tool right here, the prying tool, to remove this. Okay. And prying tool to remove this. The pin. And the other one, and that's it. It came off. But as you can see right here, there are 3 holes in here, and here. So the bottom piece, I'm gonna remove that one. Let's see. Actually, there's none. Let me see here. Huh. There's no hole in the bottom here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's supposed to be one right here. But Kita didn't put one in. Anyway, all right, let me go ahead and put this one in. I mean, it's up to you if you guys want to drill a hole, but I won't recommend doing that. Um, but let me just go ahead and put it in just like the OEM did. As you can see, this is also bigger, a little bit longer than the OEM. So let me see here. Let me go ahead and put this together and put that in. So this side, the corner piece is a little bit slimmer than the OEM one, but it does fit in. It just creates a little more space. Um, it's up to you if you want to drill a hole out the bottom. I don't feel like doing that right now because I don't think there's any need for it. So if you want to do that, there's a pin for that for you to put that in to drill a hole and put that in there. But as I said, I would recommend that, for warranty reason. So, but they do have the pin if you want to do that. It's up to you. So let me go to the other side. The front is much easier to remove. The front side, it is much easier to remove than the rear side. So just letting you know, I think I got an Amazon package. I got another accessory that I purchased from Amazon that I need to review. So I think that just came in now. All right, so let me go ahead and get the package, and I'll be right back. All right, so I have the front right side, so I'm about to go ahead and remove that and put that in. And this took me about maybe 30 seconds or so to remove and put back in. Maybe less, I don't know, but this front side is very easy to remove and put back in. So, yep. All right, so let's go to the one in the rear, which will take a couple of minutes. So I'm going to fast forward this so that you guys won't get bored. All right, so let's go ahead. All right, welcome back. So I am on the rear side, right side, rear side of the EV9. So I'm about to go ahead and take a little bit of time to remove this because you have to unscrew. I don't know the reason why Kia can't just use the same thing that they did with the front and make it easier for somebody to install. But unfortunately, there's a reason for everything. As I always tell people at my job, there's a reason for everything. Anyway, all right, so let me go ahead and remove this screw and I will be right back. All right, so I've removed the screw and the plastic pin as well for the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that right now, put it in. So what I'm gonna do is put in the bottom piece first. All right, welcome back. So everything is all straight. So let me take a picture. Great. Great. And let me take a picture of that one. All right, so let me know what you think in the comment section, guys, about the mod guard or mod flap for the 2024 Kia EV9. So if you're about to get yourself, if you need to get yourself one, I will post a link in the description. And you know, I believe it is. It's just like the one I have in my EV6. Very nice, very clean. The water goes all the way down without no issue whenever the mod fleet. So it doesn't, it keeps it the panel clean. It keeps it clean. So let me know in the comment section, guys, whether you'll be getting one for your EV9. So, but if you're gonna be doing that, go to the link and get yourself one. And also, if this is your first time viewing the channel, subscribe and like the video. Check out my other accessory videos. Okay. If there's any link that is broken or not working on any of the descriptions, just let me know. I'll get you a new link so that you can get yourself an accessory. So thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so that every time I post a new video, you'll be able to see my videos. All right, thank you to all my subscribers, and also thank you to BestEVmod for sending this review unit for me to put on my EV9. So, and looking forward to working with you guys to review more accessories. So, and also if you are EVSC manufacturer or sales personnel or EVSCs or any EV accessories for the EV9, or if you have any EVSCs accessories, reach out to me, kilowatt hour only EV at gmail.com, kilowatt hour only EV at gmail.com. Also for motorcycles as well, reach out to me on kilowatt hour only EV at gmail.com or kilowatt hour only motorcycles at gmail.com. All right. So thank you guys for watching. See you in another video. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye bye.